Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. And it's a very cool song, they're different, I like that. Amyl and the Sniffers. That's first time on Garden Guitar for sure. So if you follow Amyl and the Sniffers and you like them, feel free to support here on Garden Guitar. Subscribe to this channel, why not? And give me a like on this one in the end of the tutorial if you like this as well. And yeah, I believe the Sniffers and Amyl will be back here for sure. So yeah, subscribe. Let's move on with the actual song, Big Dreams. Alright, so a very cool song there, a little bit wild. They're driving the desert on this motorbike, and yeah, it's just cool. All right, let's go into the song, and we're gonna do that with the capo set on 4th fret. That's the setup. With that, we have the best chords possible for this song, and the chords will be 5. Yeah, 5 chords. Let's go over the chords needed, and we're gonna start with B minor. And that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret and you bar 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have E as well, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. We have D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord will be F sharp minor. Alright, so that's a bar chord, and you play the bar on the 2nd fret again. This time you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Alright, so there we have all the chords, the B minor, E, D, A, and F sharp minor. Let's take a look at the starting here of this song, the first verse, and we have this melody going on, and that is based upon B minor and E. We're going to alternate these two chords back and forth, and the B minor, the melody will be a little different, will be high up here, so it will be like this. Okay? So the grip is a little bit different. It will be 7th on the E string, 5th on A, 4th D, and back to 5th on A. That is one round. Okay, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that. So, and then you're gonna go to E and play this part. For 1 round, and that will be to play open E string, 2nd D, 1st G, then open E again, 2nd G. So you need to add that on, and then open E, and then you play the 1st G and 2nd D. So slowly. So I'm using my mid finger on the 2nd D and the index on 1st G. These 2 fingers are glued there during this E chord, and then I just add on with the little pinky in front of the 1st fret G string. Alright, to get the 2nd one. That is the melody for 1 round. You're going to play that for 4 rounds, so slowly, a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, it could be a little bit challenging to jump between these 2 chords. Okay, so I think the hardest part is to when you play the B minor and then you go up to the E, and then to jump back to get the B minor. What I try to focus on in my head is to get the 1st bass string there. All right, so I'm aiming with my little pinky to the 7th fret E string, and then everything falls in place there. So you don't have to find the full chord in exact same millisecond. You can actually go and find the fingers as you play down. All right, so you go from this saying goes, when I go to E, I try to find my second fret D string first. So I have one short half second before I need to play it. So I play the open E string and then I go get it as they come. Yeah, sorry for bad sound in there. Anyway, I think you understand. B minor, 2 string rounds or picking rounds, and then E1, that is 1 round. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. That is the verse play. Then comes the pre-chorus. Now you're gonna use chords, and you're gonna again use the B minor and alternate that with E, okay? For 3 rounds, and 1 round will be like this. So what you do here is to play down, up, up. That is 1 string round for B minor. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so down, up, up, down, up, up. And then you shift to E and play the same 2 string rounds, down, up, up, down, up, up. You're gonna do like that for 3 rounds, so. And then you're gonna go to D and play 8 fast downs. And to A, play the same 8 fast downs. And that is the end of the pre-chorus. So pre-chorus was 3 rounds of B minor and E with the down, up, up playing, 2 string rounds per chord. And then the 4th round, you're gonna play D, 8 fast downs, and A, 8 fast downs. All right, that takes us to the chorus parts. Now we're going to use a different strumming pattern. If you grab the first chord, which will be the B minor, and 1 string round now will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, up, down, up. And a couple rounds. So you're gonna play 1 string round per chord, and the chord progression will be B minor, D, A, and E. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So let's do that together, and it goes like this. Again, B minor, D, A, and E. So there you have the chorus. Now into the second round of everything, and that is just repetition. Second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus played in exact same way, same amount of rounds, and everything is the same. We're gonna land now at the bridge part after we play the second chorus, and we are now about 2 minutes and 3 seconds into the song. Now you're gonna continue the same strumming as you played in the chorus, and you're gonna use now the F sharp minor. You're gonna play F sharp minor, 1 string round, and A, 1 string round. Back and forth, you're gonna go that for 3 rounds. So F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A. And then you're gonna play E1 and B minor 1. This is still in the bridge part, but I'm gonna take you through this part first. So F sharp, 1 and A1. Final round, and now E and B minor. And after this, we're about in the middle of this bridge part. Now comes the solo part, okay? So you're gonna continue the same strumming, and the solo part goes 1 string round per chord. The following chords will be B minor, D, A, and E. So that is the same as playing a chorus. So you're gonna play that for 2 more rounds, like this. And final. All right, that is the end of the bridge and solo part. And now into the outro part of this one. What you're gonna do now is to play the verse play, the picking pattern here. 2 rounds. You're gonna play it for 5 rounds, and after finish the 5 rounds of, you're gonna end on 1 down of the B minor chord. And that's it, guys. Amyl and the Sniffers, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Very important in life. And yeah, I have a big dream, and that is to just be able to continue with Gordon guitar and have the passion for it. And it depends on you guys. So if you want to support me, that gives me the motivation I need to go on. So thank you, guys. I'm gonna work as much as I can for you to pump out these great tutorials. So thank you everybody who's watching, and see you next time. Play tune.